This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Facts about mass. Mars is one of the 8 major planets that form the solar system together with the Sun. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, and it takes about 686.93 days to completely revolve around it. The atmosphere of Mars is estimated to be less than 1% of that of the Earth. Its atmosphere is so thin that it can neither retain heat within the surface nor prevent the planet from receiving strong radiations from the Sun. The atmosphere comprises about 95% carbon dioxide, 1.6% argon, 2.7% nitrogen, 0.13% oxygen, and 0.03% water. Apart from its unique atmosphere, Mars has other interesting features that other planets do not have. Firstly, the planet has the tallest volcano in the entire solar system. The volcanic mountain is called Olympus Mons, and it is approximately 27 kilometers in height above the plains surrounding it. The volcano is still active as evidenced by the lava that flows from it. Additionally, Mars has the most extensive and deepest gorge in the entire solar system, which is called the Marineris Valley. The canyon covers a distance of approximately 4,000 kilometers along the planet's equator and stretches for a depth of about 7 kilometers into the ground. In addition, Mars is regarded as the only other planet apart from the Earth that can support life. Mars has an atmosphere that is composed of gases such as carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Mars also has water, which is also one of the essential elements that support life. The planet's water exists in liquid form just like it does on Earth, which has numerous living things. The trip. The trip to Mars can take a long time, but that depends on the date of the trip. The shortest distance between the Earth and Mars is approximately 55 kilometers, which occurs when the former and the latter are at their farthest and closest points from the Sun respectively. When the two planets are on opposite sides, the distance between them can go as far as 401 kilometers. The trip to Mars could take about 160 days if it started at the right time of the year. The trip will be made comfortable as is possible by providing the passengers with luxurious items, such as cameras for capturing the unique features found on the planet. The trip to Mars is worth it since it will provide the passengers with an opportunity to observe the unique features found on the planet. Food and accommodation. The passengers involved in the trip to Mars will be provided with the high-quality packed food and the best accommodation facilities to make their trip interesting and comfortable. The passengers will be provided with a variety of foodstuffs that are sufficient for the entire journey. The passengers will also be given insulating jackets and blankets to protect them from the strong radiation, which falls on the surface of the planet. Safety risks. There are a few safety risks that may arise during the trip. Firstly, the spacecraft might develop mechanical problems during the journey. Secondly, the passengers may be adversely affected by the strong radiation hitting Mars' surface as a result of the thin atmosphere of the planet. However, these risks will be well provided for to ensure that the journey remains successful and comfortable. The first risk will be mitigated by using a spacecraft that has been severally tested for efficiency. The second risk will be prevented by using a spacecraft with a highly polished surface that can reflect the dangerous radiation from the Sun. Did you like this A Trip to Mars, Mass Facts sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs.